Bonjour everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the detailed way on how to make griot, which is fried pork shoulder. In this video, I'm using a whole pork shoulder that has not been butchered yet. You can buy pork shoulder already chopped and cut at your local supermarket. What I'm doing here is I locate the bone and break it in half using my butcher's knife. Then I cut the pork into medium small size pieces. Then I clean the meat with lemon, lime, salt, sour orange, and vinegar. Then I rinse the meat in boiling hot water for 1 minute. After rinsing the meat, I use Neges Creole Haitian Epis to give it a really good season. Add all the meat in a cooking pot with olive oil and let it cook covered on medium-high for about 30 to 45 minutes. The pork shoulder should look something like this. The final step? Set some frying oil to 350 degrees and fry the pork for 3 to 5 minutes. It should come out looking golden reddish brown, just like this. And voila, you have griot. Bon appetit, everyone.